Kathryn Chandria Manuel Bernardo, born March 26, 1996, is a Filipino actress. Known for her work in mainstream productions, she has starred in 3 of the highest-grossing Filipino films of all time: The House of Us 2018, Hello, Love, Goodbye 2019, and Hello, Love, Again 2024. Her accolades include a Seoul International Drama Award, an Asian World Film Festival Award, 2 FAMAS Awards, and 14 Box Office Entertainment Awards. Born in Cabanatuan, Nueva Ecija, Bernardo began her career as a child actress in the 2000s and rose to prominence for her role as one of the title characters in Mara Clara 2010. She gained wider audience for her portrayal of a lost princess in the romantic drama Princess and I 2012, which was first of her many collaborations with actor Daniel Padilla. For her portrayal of a struggling domestic worker in the romantic drama Hello, Love, Goodbye 2019, she received a nomination for a Luna and Gawad Urian for Best Actress. She sought roles in other genres and starred opposite Dolly De Leon in the black comedy A Very Good Girl 2023, for which she won a FAMAS Award for Best Actress. Forbes Asia named her one of the most influential people in Asia Pacific. Bernardo was born on March 26, 1996 in Cabanatuan, Nueva Ecija, Philippines. She is the youngest of 4 siblings and was raised by her parents, Luz Viminda and Teodoro Bernardo. Bernardo was raised as a member of Iglesia en I Cristo. It is believed that became a born-again Christian in 2016. Education. Before her acting debut in 2003, Bernardo attended Flower Lane Montessori Children's House in Cabanatuan and later Obe Montessori Center in Quezon City. Due to her busy schedule, she joined UST Angelicum College's homeschooling program in 2011-18-19 while pursuing a marketing degree at Enderun Colleges. She had to pause her studies because of scheduling conflicts with her television series Got to Believe. Personal life. In 2018, Bernardo confirmed her long-term relationship with actor Daniel Padilla, which began on May 25, 2012. On November 30, 2023, the pair announced the end of their relationship. Since April 2024, she has owned a house in Antipolo. Business ventures. In 2017, Bernardo launched her nail salon business, Kath Nails by KCMB, which has 8 branches across the Philippines. In 2020, Bernardo, a self-proclaimed foodie, tried her luck in the food business by starting a rice meal takeout franchise, Rice in a Box, which has over 100 franchises across the Philippines, owned by Lester Pimentel, the action movie director that Bernardo had worked with during her La Luna Sangre series. In 2022, she opened another nail salon, the Glow Up Lounge, which has 5 branches nationwide. She co-founded a boutique hotel, Isla Mara, in El Nido, Palawan in 2022, alongside actor Piolo Pascual and other partners. In September 2025, together with her family, Bernardo launched a new business venture, Impolo MNL, a fashion sanitary ware brand from Germany. The company recently celebrated the grand opening of its new branch in Green Hills, San Juan, with Bernardo and her family in attendance. The brand focuses on precision, purity, and design for modern living spaces. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.